All right, this is a Chapter 13 accounting snippet, and we are going to talk about stock splits. I use the same exact model. In fact, I'm using the exact same one I put in my video on how to do stock splits, okay? So this stock split is, we have a par value of $20, 100,000 shares. The fair market value is $50, and then the total amount for the company is going to be $2 million. We're taking the 20 par value times the 100,000 shares. In a stock split, we're going to divide the par value in half and multiply the number of shares outstanding by 2. So we're dividing this by 2 or multiplying it by 0.5 to get $10 par value. We're multiplying the number of shares by 2 for 200,000. So our fair market value in this case was 50. Now it's 25. Should cut that in half during a stock split. Stranger things have happened. $2 million, though, whether you started before or after the stock split, doesn't matter. You still have $2 million as the company. So when a shareholder has a stock split, you have 100,000 shares. If the value went up by $1, then you have $100,000 more. But after a stock split, if it went up $1, you'd have $100,000 in addition to what you would have gotten without the stock split. So you have $5.2 million in this situation. Way better circumstance. Way better outcome. Stock splits are good. Reverse stock splits stink. Reverse stock splits say, instead of cutting this in half, we're going to multiply it by 2. Oh dear. I didn't do this math over here. I didn't make that model correct. Okay. Damn, I must have been slacking during that video. Okay. So in this case, on a reverse stock split, 1 for 2, we're going to multiply the stock par value by 2, and we're going to divide the number of shares by 2 or multiply it by 0.5. And in this case, the fair market value of the shares should go up by 2. So in this case, something math has gone wrong. Oh, that's why. It's because this should, this should still be multiplying it by that. There we go. Okay. So there we go. We have the same situation here. You see everything is the same. Okay. Now in this situation though, if the fair market value, let's say shares, in this case you can see I'm sorry. If we change this to 51 and this to 101, we made less. Okay, we made less money. Instead of making 100,000, we only made 50,000. Okay, so I had to fix the model there a bit from the video. I apologize for that. But either way, you can see here that a reverse stock split stinks. Okay, and I have experienced that. I bought some penny stocks, so it wasn't a whole lot of money, but still, it ended up they got bought out, and I was more than happy to dump that stock. I was lucky to cover anything. Kind of lame. Never listen to someone who says, "Hey, this is a great stock to buy right now." Never is. Okay. All right. So with that, that's the stock split. If you have any questions, let me know, and we'll see you in other videos.